Yes, student, today I am going to teach you how to create a JAX WS web service to perform the addition operation and how to consume that web service with the help of your servlet or JSP. Now let's start how to do with your other platform or the other application. First click on file, then new project, then select Java web application, click on next. You can write your project name. Suppose I'm writing suppose try web is my name of the project. Click on next and click on finish. So here in a project tab you will get that try web project. So just search it, try web. So try web. Yes, and this is my project try web. So right click on your project, select new and your web service. So just type the name of service. My name of this web service is operation, and here I'm writing the package com.kk. Click on finish. So here my web service name is operation. I want to add operation, so add operation. My operation name is suppose addition. I'm taking the data type as an int. Add two parameter, one is a, and select data type as an int. Again select, taking next parameter b and data type int. Click on OK. So here you will get this method, addition method. So you can write your own code. So I'm just writing and c is equal to a plus b, and here I'm writing and c. Okay, and here there is one already existing method hello, so there is no need. So I'm just removing that method. Okay, so I'm just writing addition code. Just save your program, and next again right click on your project. So my project name is try web. Right click, take the JSP file. My JSP file name is suppose try JSP. Click on finish. So you will get this code. I'm just removing this hello world, and instead of that I'm just taking scripting tag, because if you want to write any coding within JSP, so you have to define the scripting tag. So you have to type each and everything within a scripting tag. So I'm just writing, just define your package name. So my package name was com.kk dot operation is the name of my service, and here you want to create the object of that web services. Okay, so operation space obj is equal to new com.kk dot operation empty parenthesis and semicolon. So here I'm creating the object of your web service. Now just print the output. So I'm just taking out dot println in bracket within double quotes. I'm just writing the addition of two number is. Now here I'm writing plus, take obj dot addition, and here I'm passing the two values. Suppose my value is 2 and suppose 4. Okay, so just save this program. After saving this program, just your best habit is just clean and build your project. Then deploy your project. For deploying it takes some time, so just deploy your project. Before running any file or any project, you have to first build your project and deploy your project. It takes some time. Okay, after deploying your project, you have to run this try.jsp file, try.jsp file. So just run this file. So your expected output is 6. The addition of two number is 6. Yes, the addition of two number is 6. So this is about how to consume your web service with your JSP and the servlet.